Our news starts with an announcement made by NASA on Tuesday. NASA has selected SpaceX to build a special spacecraft that will deorbit the ISS and guide it back to Earth's atmosphere, leading it to its final resting place in the Pacific Ocean. This mission will be a major step, not only for space research but also for the future of humanity's presence in space. Elon Musk's company, SpaceX, will develop a spacecraft called the United States Deorbit Vehicle, USDV, to carry out this unique mission. The contract for this is worth a whopping $843 million. But why is this so significant? Ken Bowersox from NASA summarizes the situation. The selection of a U.S. deorbit vehicle for the International Space Station will help NASA and its international partners ensure a safe and responsible transition from low Earth orbit at the end of station operations. The ISS weighs 430,000 kilograms, 950,000 pounds, and is the largest single structure ever built in space. NASA engineers are meticulously planning how this colossal structure will break apart upon re-entry into the atmosphere. The disintegration process of the ISS will occur in 3 stages. First, the enormous solar panels and radiators that cool the orbital lab will break off. Then, individual modules will separate from the station's backbone structure. Finally, the truss and modules will disintegrate on their own. Most of this material will vaporize in the atmosphere, but some large pieces are expected to survive. These large pieces are planned to fall into the Pacific Ocean, specifically in a region known as Point Nemo, the most remote location on Earth and the cemetery for satellites and spacecraft. This will be the final resting place for the ISS. Point Nemo is 2,688 kilometers away from the nearest landmass, minimizing the risk of the ISS remnants harming any people or land. The first part of the ISS was launched in 1998, and it has been continuously inhabited by an international crew since 2001. The participating countries of the US, Japan, Canada, and the European Space Agency, ESA, have committed to operating the microgravity lab until 2030. However, the 5th partner, Russia, has only committed to operating until 2028. Over the years, the ISS has hosted numerous scientific research projects and experiments, providing crucial data on the sustainability of human life in space. The ISS is also a symbol of international cooperation. The collaboration between the US and Russia, which continued even after the Cold War, has pushed the boundaries of space exploration and demonstrated that different nations can come together for a common goal. However, the recent deterioration in US-Russia relations has created some uncertainties about the future of the ISS. NASA Chief Bill Nelson mentioned to Congress in April that it would be prudent to work on a U.S. deorbit vehicle to safely bring down the entire station, ensuring it does not collide with anything or anyone. This is where SpaceX's role becomes crucial. In recent years, SpaceX has made revolutionary strides in space research and commercial space flights. With its Falcon 9 rockets and Dragon capsules, SpaceX regularly sends cargo and crew to the ISS. Additionally, its ambitious Starship project, which aims to send humans to Mars, has garnered significant attention. This new mission will once again showcase SpaceX's capabilities and technological prowess. Several companies, including Axiom Space and Jeff Bezos's Blue Origin, are working on commercial successors to the ISS. This marks a significant step towards the continuity of human presence in space and is an exciting development for the future of commercial space flights. Axiom Space plans to send its first commercial module to the ISS in 2024 and aims to establish its independent commercial space station in the long term. Blue Origin is competing in this arena with its Orbital Reef commercial space station project. Even after the retirement of the ISS, NASA has grand plans for space research and exploration. With the Artemis program, NASA aims to send humans back to the Moon and establish a permanent base there. Preparations are also underway for human missions to Mars. The experiences and technological advancements gained from the ISS will provide a crucial foundation for these new goals. Space research pushes the boundaries of humanity, accelerates technological and scientific advancements, and explores new frontiers. The retirement of the ISS marks the end of an era and the beginning of a new one. With life in space, new technologies, and international collaborations, humanity's future has never looked brighter. Alright, friends, that's the end of our video today. If you want more content like this, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Also, share your thoughts and questions in the comments section. See you in the next video. Goodbye.